Hi, I'm Adam Christofferson, and I'm Product Manager at Winnebago Towables. At Winnebago, I'm responsible for taking dealer and consumer feedback and working with our product development teams to design travel trailers that give you more style, more function, and improve the experience wherever you go. And I'm here to introduce to you the new Winnebago Micro Minnie FLX. Available in 4 floor plans, the FLX brings you the towability and livability that people love about the Micro Minnie and adds a matched set of features and upgrades that allow you to stay off the grid, no plugs or hookups for up to 5 days. Robert Morales, a current Micro Minnie brand ambassador and YouTuber who goes by the name of Traveling Robert, reached out to us about his desire for more energy self-sufficiency in his RV. We looked at power consumption and water use and came up with an integrated system to help you cut the cord. The FLX difference begins with an additional solar panel, lithium-ion battery system, AC inverter, and a battery management system. To that, we added high-efficiency appliances as well as water and energy-saving plumbing appliances. The result is the Micro Minnie FLX, the most energy-independent towable we've ever built, with everything factory installed and covered by your Winnebago factory warranty. How'd we do? Let's check in with Traveling Robert for his new take on the Micro Minnie FLX.
Hi, I'm Robert, today coming to you from St. Mary's, Georgia at the KOA here. We're on our way from Florida to New England in our brand new Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 DS FLX edition. And I want to walk you through my top 5 favorite things about this RV. And number 1 is right out here. It's kind of the only one that is kind of low tech, but you'll be surprised. Once you have it, you cannot live without it, and that's stabilizing jacks. And in the past, sometimes I didn't even deploy them out of laziness, but now I can't live without them. Now, the second one is this little lever you see right here. And it's another very convenient item. This is called the shower miser. And what happens when you turn on the hot water, you have to wait for that water to get cold, especially when you're starting to shower. Well, with this, you're not wasting all that water going into your gray tank. That water recirculates into your fresh water tank. So you're not filling up your gray tank, which is probably the one thing that prevents you from boondocking for a long time. Once that tank is full, you have to go to the dump station. So when this turns white, and as you can see it's starting to turn white, that means that that water has reached a temperature, and then you just flip it back down and you take your shower. Number 3, you see it right here. This is a Truma Aventa air conditioner, and yes, it is on actually. It is very quiet and also very efficient, and that's a very important thing if you want to be off-grid, because you can run this air conditioner using inverted power, using your batteries, which brings me to number 4. Number 4, I'm going to lump together our whole power system here. We have a large lithium battery. We have that Santrex 3000 watt inverter, and we have 2 large solar panels on the roof. Now, number 5 is also a Truma product, and it's related to the bathroom. Actually, it's a Truma Aqua Gold water heater. It is a tankless water heater. It's not just any tankless water heater, because it has like a small vessel inside that serves to regulate that water temperature in a way that you don't get those shifts up and down in temperature when you're taking a shower. And it is tankless, so if you are at a campground with unlimited water, well, you have unlimited hot water. That's my top 5. Thanks for joining me out here. Now we're gonna head out to dinner because we just got here. We're hungry, so back to you guys.
Thanks, Robert. Glad to hear you like it so much and that it's meeting your needs when it comes to off-the-grid camping. Learn more about the Micro Minnie FLX here at Winnebago Insider, and scroll down to the bottom of this page to sign up for updates on this new model and its availability at Winnebago dealers.